Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Then I'll hear a rooster in the background. See some flags over there. It's like the American one, and maybe, I don't know, maybe the state of so yeah, there's all these tents here. We get military stuff. See, I think Guam and Saipan both have a lot of military history, as they would, because America has used this as strategic place, right? So, huh. Yeah, looks like a lot of there's another one. Looks like they're all kind of rusted, and looks like you can actually walk all the way up there, maybe. Let's see. Oh, this is like an old bomb right here. Huh. Last command post. Should walk up there, but those are the bikers that I went by a little while ago. Huh. Yeah, actually Saipan is amazingly small. It's kind of hard to get my head around, and very tourist oriented. Kind of makes me wonder if Guam is quite similar. And actually, like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a pink car right there coming around the corner, and there's a blue one right over there. So it looks like some of the rental cars are like, it's really beautiful convertibles. And I think the tourists, I've seen a lot of Japanese and Korean couples and families. Oh, that's written in Chinese in the back. This whole thing is Chinese. Oh, Japanese, sorry. Yeah, it's all Japanese. So, okay. Beautiful trees. The air smells wonderful. Yeah, it kind of smells like flowers. Like there's kind of a flower smell to the air. Then you can see the beautiful ocean right there. So yeah, it's a Okinawa Peace Memorial. Okinawa, okay. I don't know if you can hear the rooster in the background, so it's another element of Saipan, so I'll definitely have this in the video too. I hope that maybe by the end of the day you'll have a pretty good sense of Saipan if you're not so sure what it's about. I wasn't really sure myself, and the videos I've seen were well, I'm going to create the video that I would have liked to have seen. Not that I'm an expert, I'm just going to film everything I can today. Which is sometimes all that people really want anyway, so. Let's see, okay. We're going to kind of see what the sign says. Okay, Japanese counterattack routes. It's like, yeah, all right, this is interesting. So I guess this is where there's a big fight with counterattacks. Okay, maybe other people might know a lot more than I do about it. But you can see the beauty of this, and then there's, I don't know if you can hike all the way up there or not. Yeah, it's all kind of rusted, so I don't know, pretty cool. Let's take a look. Anyways, I think that's pretty much all we're gonna keep seeing stuff. So, okay, this is the one I came in on. Dang, it's like just rusted right into the place, you know. There's a lot of history here that I don't really know. I think there's a lot of history here that a lot of Americans don't know. But I guess if you were in the American military, you probably, American military might view this video probably. They probably know a lot more about it than I do. I am an American, but they don't really teach us. This isn't really in our history books. I'm sure it is actually, but it wasn't in mine. Okay, let's jump back in this vehicle and okay, I don't know if you can see in the map, I'm also driving right here too, and I'm going uphill, so oh wow, it's a really good view right there. Really good view. But basically I'm gonna go through that, see that little red thing that goes in a circle like that? So it looks like it kind of climbs this mountain right now, so that's basically what I'm doing right now. See at the top, and there's a bike trail right next to me. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's kind of funny actually, because I was just I just went down another route. I was going to try to follow the ocean, and then I went into like a dead end with a quarry or something like that, and I was like, dang, what? But now that I'm up here, I'm like, okay, this looks cool again. I think I just keep going in this little curlicue up. Fire danger today, high. I didn't realize they had fires here. Alright, so we're gonna keep going up and we'll see what's up there. And if I'm going the right way. The signage isn't really that good here, so by the way. So, but I think the island is so small that I don't think it really matters. I can't believe I'm already at the northern part of the island, and it's and I just left the airport like maybe an hour ago with a lot of stops and, you know, kind of touristic. There's a lot I haven't seen, but it's just it's interesting nonetheless. Okay, we're gonna keep on exploring, try to get up the top, and then I'll get the camera out up the top. Those bikers that are behind me again. And this is called Suicide Cliff. So we're just gonna check it out. Suicide Cliff Lookout. Just gonna check that out, but I think I'm gonna just get up to the interesting stuff first. Take a look at these views, see what they are. Let's see what the sign says first. So yeah, Saipan. It's kind of interesting place. Okay, so yeah, this is that beautiful cliff right there. So I guess, wow, there's all these 1945 so I guess there's a bunch of like maybe a military barracks, I don't know. Okay, this is the location of a horrible event. Japanese were forced by the American soldiers and they had nowhere to go, so they jumped over this cliff basically. And you can view this whole thing. So okay, let's just get up there and just take a look. There's a generator going off in the background. So okay, so the Americans did a counterattack, and then the Japanese jumped off this cliff and died. Dang, that's crazy. Wow, it's like insanely beautiful up here though. Wow, that's incredible. It's that quarry that I went down into and I had to turn around. Now I can get a better view of things too. Dang. Oh, that's funny that there's this cactus here, because I just saw that thing that said, you know, fire. Oh, it's unbelievable. There's like nothing over there for like it's a 5-hour flight from Hong Kong. It's like 3 or 4 hours probably from Japan or Korea. There's a couple of pink rental cars way down there. Oh. Yeah, this is really beautiful. Actually, I don't know if you can see it. You should be able to see it, but sometimes the camera makes it look smaller. But there's the other side of the ocean here. So this is the one that's looking towards Asia. And this is the one that's looking towards I guess California, Hawaii. Of course, Hawaii and California would be like a 15-hour flight probably. And to Asia, it's like maybe 4 or 5 hours. So, dang. Well, it's 5 hours to Hong Kong, 4.5 hours to Hong Kong, which is where I came from. But I'm guessing that I think Japan. I think I remember when I was living in Japan, and I think Japan is maybe 3 hours away. So we're just gonna go and we're just gonna see what this little monument is here, and then you can see another memorial here. And yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful island. Oh, there's a lot of memorials to Japanese, so there's some okay, this is actually Buddha. I thought this was a Christian one. It's not. Wow, look at that. This is like a Buddha one. It's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. But it has a Christian cross behind it, so I don't know what the story is of that. I'm just kind of wondering if it's like, I don't know. I can only guess. You can speculate. Put it down below. See what you think it is. Statue of Maria Cannon. That's beautiful. I really like that a lot. So I think we're just gonna see what's over here. And some of the bikers here. So just walk. Grass is still wet, so early in the morning here too. Peace Memorial Park, okay. 1972. So I guess they built this in 1972, and I guess that it's like 1940s. So we're just gonna walk over here a little bit. See what the view is. Hello, how are you doing? Good morning. Okay.
Don't jump.
Yeah, suicide, right? There's a story about this.
There's a story, pictures.
Yeah, pictures and
Ladies jumping with the kids.
oh yeah, yeah. I can't believe it's really beautiful though. It's beautiful down there and beautiful from up here too. Hey guys.
Okay, okay. Oh, you make your hand on the picture.
Yeah, yeah,
do it on the car.
Should I join?
Yeah, sure. We need more people.
Get this in here. Yeah.
Okay.
Another one.
Oh, it's right there. Okay.
Wait.
Wait here. Now get this one too. Get that one there.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
See ya.
This one.
Give it a
Okay.
second.
Okay. This one. Oh, maybe.
All Chinese. I don't understand anything, man.
Yeah.
Chinese.
You know, you're gonna read Chinese? I'll teach you.
Yeah.
Your Chinese teacher?
Oh, there we go. That looks pretty good.
Yeah. See?
Looks great.
Yeah. 4K.
Oh,
4K. Yeah, same thing.
Oh,
Go for
same.
it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
4K. This is also 4K too.
Yeah. Go for it.
There we go.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, guys.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
So that's pretty cool. Let's walk up here one more time. Suicide Cliff. Yeah. It's funny, this is maybe in the local language, I guess. Bud Light and cigarette. Okay, we're gonna get back down there again, and we'll see more of this island.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.